What's up guys? Today we're gonna be messing with the Buick because I'm gonna show you how to remove and test a purge valve and tell whether it needs to be replaced. Okay, so we're here under the hood of the Buick, and with the NA cars, it is super easy to find the purge valve. It normally sits right up front. Now it's normally on a bracket right here, which has a single bolt that holds it in, or you can pry this down and take it off the bracket, but this one, it just sits in here loose. So all you need to do is remove one electrical connector like that. Then each of these lines have a squeeze quick disconnect. And once you squeeze and disconnect both sides like this, there you have it. It is off, free, and ready to test. And here is everything that you will need to test the purge valve to make sure that it's functioning correctly. You will need the purge valve itself. You will need one 9-volt battery and two of these test leads that are nothing but alligator clips on a short piece of wire. And to set this test up, all you're going to need to do is take the purge valve, locate the two little pins inside of here, and put one test lead on each pin, just like that. Then what you're going to do is take a 9-volt battery, hook one test lead to one side, and then leave the other one loose. And what we're going to do is you're going to blow through this and connect this on and off. What should happen is this should open and close, allowing you to blow through it and allowing you not to blow through it. Okay, so we're going to take it right now with this unhooked. I cannot blow through it at all. So I'm going to take the 9-volt. I'm going to take this, and as I connect it, I'll feel it click. You may not be able to hear that, but it does click. And this I can blow through it with it connected. I cannot blow through it with it not connected. And that is how this is supposed to behave. So this purge valve is good, and it's going to go back on the car. So that is how you test a purge valve and know whether or not it's functioning like it's supposed to. Now, there are other reasons that you might get purge valve codes in the computer. It doesn't always mean the valve itself is bad. You could have a leak in the line before it, a leak in the line after it. The line could be stopped up, not allowing it to flow like it's supposed to, or you could possibly have a wiring problem, not opening and closing the valve when the computer tells it to. So this is just one way to narrow the actual valve itself down to know whether or not that's what it is. But any other questions, as usual, drop them down in the comments. Let me know if you've got any other problems. I will make sure that I answer every comment. I will talk to you guys in the next video, so make sure you're subscribed so that you see that video, and I will see you then. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.